All right, so we're going to continue working on these drawings, and I'm going to make number 5 here. Number 5 is pretty simple. We're just going to draw the basic outline of this front view here and then extrude it. So let's go with that. Go to your Onshape, and you're going to create a new document, and this is ISO 5. All right, so create a sketch. You want to create it. I'm going to create it again on the front view here, and click on front to look at it at two-dimensionally. And I'm going to do a line tool all the way around to make that basic shape. So I'm going to click on line, and I'm going to start right here. And I'm going to go straight up, click, and that length is 1.5. All right, I'm going to go over to the right, click, that length is 1. Now, I wrote down all the measurements for it for this part here to just make it easier, quicker to go through, so that's how I am remembering what they are. Go straight up, click, and you're going to type in 1. To the right, I'm going to click, and that is a measurement of 2. And then it's just mirrored across. So I'm going to go down 1. If you notice, like I didn't click my line, but it kind of automatically snaps to the length over there. So I can just hit click. Now I'm going to go over. I'm going to click again. This one's going to be 1. Go straight down. That's going to be 1.5. Now this little tab here, you're going to click it and make it 0.5. Go straight up. 0.5. This distance all the way across is 3. And then this part here, again, I can just move my cursor down and it snaps in line with the one right next to it. I'm going to click and then click to close. All right, so that is the basic outline of the shape. So now all we need to do is extrude it. If you look back at the extrusion, it goes back 2.5 inches. So click on extrude. We'll look at it three-dimensionally here. And I'm going to change my depth to 2.5. Enter, enter, and there is our ISO number 5. Like I said, this is probably one of the easiest ones to do because we can do it in just one extrusion. All right.